Hello everybody, welcome back to part 2, because I've called the first one part 1.
Oh, yeah, part 2.
Part 2. If you want to see the first video of Sophie, then I'll put a link at the top for you and a description, and I'll link put at the end of the video at the same time so you can watch it and you can kind of continue a journey and learn to drive. So we're in Bletchley at the moment and we're going to work on meeting traffic situations where we have to giving ourselves space and going around cars, and mini roundabouts, which we've done before, haven't we?
Yeah.
So just remind. So just remind me, who would you give way to your mini roundabouts?
To your right.
To your right. And if we're going to go ahead, would we need to signal to go ahead on them?
What do you mean?
If we're going to go ahead on them, would we signal to come off them?
When?
Would we or not?
Yes.
No.
No?
No? You signal left or right, don't you?
Oh,
But
right,
not-
yeah. Oh, no, at the beginning, no. I thought you were on about going around.
Okay, should we get going then? And yeah, just get yourself ready and remember your blind spot as you're about to go. That's the bit we kind of forgot a bit last week. Yeah. Hold that there. Hold it clear, a bit lower. That's it. See, it's going too high, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And then just have a quick look over your shoulders. Make sure it's happy, it's safe. If it is, release your handbrake. Left to right. Finish with your right shoulder.
Oh, I haven't released it enough.
Down, all the way.
Yeah.
All the way. All the way. Leaping at you, all the way. That's it.
I was doing so well up to this point.
She's right. She's just drove from her house to here 20 minutes, and she's been really good at driving. Under pressure now, I think.
Yeah, a lot of it.
Should we carry on with the gears?
Yes.
Put the camera on you, and you act differently.
Yeah, I know. I don't usually.
Yeah.
It's just today.
So we're just going to follow it down there. So at the end of the road, we're going to go left, please.
Okay.
When would we indicate to go left?
After this bit.
Which one? This one or the next one?
I can't. Oh, right, the next one.
Next
I thought
one.
that was...
It's quite a lot in there, this one.
Yeah.
So we're going to be going left at the end, at the junction. Let's check your mood, yeah. That's it. And we're looking.
Nope. Another one coming.
Should we get ourselves ready to pull off?
I can't see now. Oh, I can. I can see
What
the
gear should we pull off in? First gear? First gear. There you go. Don't get distracted by that one blocking your view.
Oops.
That's it. That's better. Well done. That's nice. Nice pull off. You just got to remember straight into first when you stop.
Yeah. I got thrown off.
Because as soon as you stopped, the car blocked your view and you're thinking about, I can't see, and it's distracting you. You've got to say, right, straight into first, have a look. I can't go because I can't see. Just wait for a few seconds while they disappear.
Yeah.
Get yourself organised before you start getting distracted by the other driver. Speed limit on here, what is it? What do you reckon?
30?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. Last time I said that on the video, last time you got spot on. You always doubt yourself in speed limits here. And you always get them right.
Well, I don't know. If it's not directly in front of me, or if I just seen it, I'll always think I'm wrong.
It's a built-up pair, isn't it?
Yeah.
I know the last video, when she's done the country road driving, there's less houses, so I can understand that. Might look like a fast road, but it's not. At the end of the road, there's a mini roundabout. Just past that white parked car.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
See the parked car?
Oh. Okay. I thought she was going to walk in front of me.
That woman with the bin then.
I thought she was going to just step out.
So we're going to go round the white car and then turn left at the roundabout.
Okay.
Obviously, there's a red taxi coming towards you, isn't there? So what we're going to do here.
Stop behind the car.
Yeah, get yourself next to the line there, and then you can get out easier and stop in there. Yeah,
Oh,
clutch.
there's another one as well, yeah.
Just wait. Get yourself ready. First gear, remember? And then big turn to go around the car. And then big turn to come back. Nice, control the clutch. All done. And a left turn at the roundabout. Yeah, that was a nice control and pulling off. I liked it. It was. I didn't feel as though you were losing control of anything then.
Yay.
And then have a look. Can we get past these parked cars?
No. Oh yes.
Let's go around them then.
I don't know why I said no.
And then, do you see that bus there?
Yeah.
Let's give way before these cars.
So go in this bit?
No, just stay there and just kind of give way here and stop for the bus. That's it. Because it needs space, doesn't it, to get out? See? Because if we go where the learner is, he can't get out at all. And then gas and biting point.
There's another van coming.
By the time you do that, you'll be gone.
Okay.
Gas and bite. That's it. See, you had the learner car stopping, and if we stop behind the learner car, he'll never get out because of all these parked cars. So we kind of stopped short deliberately, and that's why I said thank you.
Yeah.
You're the best, Mr. Bus Driver.
Yeah.
So sometimes you've got to do that. Stop short. Sometimes going if you're at the front of the queue, then you go exactly where that learner went first.
It's quite a bright car. What's the speed limit here?
Well, you tell me what you think it is.
Still 30?
Yeah. If it's anything above 30, you're going to get signs, repeater signs on this side of the lamppost alternating it, aren't you?
Oh, yes.
Now we've got the give way to oncoming counter.
Yeah.
Can we get through that all right, or should we give way?
We can get through.
Let's go for it then. Bit of gas. Let's get out of the way. There we go. See, we can easily make it, can't we? And then who's got priority here?
Us? No, them. I don't know.
Us.
Us, yeah.
Huh.
Well, I thought that it was us, but then it feels strange that we just, because it's a different sign, and then we just gave way to those. It's like 2 minutes. I don't know.
Too much going on.
Yeah.
We're going to go ahead at these two roundabouts.
Okay.
So we'll check to your right. We're happy to enter.
Yeah.
Let's enter first then. Second one, we're going to go ahead. See the learner car indicating?
Yeah, we wait for
Yeah, so there's a couple of them there, aren't there, doing the same thing.
Yeah.
And then that last one's not, is there? So it's an easy one then for us. Yeah, that second roundabout, it was our right away, but the car went through because we were far away.
Yeah.
And it kind of threw you then, didn't it?
Yes, it is.
Now at the mini roundabout, we're going to go right.
Okay.
Before it, we've got a give way point to the sign.
Mhm.
The ground is a give way line. So if we're going to stop, we're going to clutch it. Yeah. And then there's a blue car coming. Oh, he's gone a different way. Pop it in first. And then gas and bite. That's it. Check to come out. Right at the mini roundabout, please. So it's not easy around here. There's lots of roundabouts.
No.
Is it clear on the right?
Yeah, no.
Have a look again.
Yes.
That's it. 'Cause when you see them, have a look what they're up to.
Yeah, because you just started indicating.
Did you? It did. But you're right. Oh, is the car there? I'm gonna give way, and then have another look, and you'll see his indicator. And if he's not indicating, it's probably going to come straight across, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then what'll be frustrating is when they turn left and they're not indicating,
Mm.
and you're not stopping for them. Remember, every time you want to pull out, check the mirror. Remember what you're checking for.
Cars?
Yeah. Anyone try to overtake you.
Yeah.
So speed limit here.
30? No, it's an end of a something because that 30 as of that point.
Yeah.
20?
Yeah. Well done. You kind of worked that in your head, didn't you?
Yes.
I bet you thought he's trying to trick me there with that one.
Yeah.
So it's 20 zone, 30 zone ahead of us. When we turned on that last roundabout, it went to 20. It's just that you were concentrating that much about your position and the cars, you didn't see it.
And there's a massive 20 on the road there.
Yeah. Well done. Now we're going to take the next left turn, please.
Signal clear but soon.
Oh, I think the signal was a good time then.
Okay. Probably just because I'm going slow.
And then have a look, can we get past that car easy?
Yeah.
Good. And now is it a bit clearer? Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Should we go a bit faster then?
Okay.
And then just look beyond the parked cars on our side. Can we get past them?
From what I can see, but there's a lot of them.
Help you come then. If you pull out, you'll see the gaps then. And just see he's coming our way in.
Yeah.
Should we give way to him then?
Yeah, shall we here?
Yeah, so straighten yourself up, give yourself space from the parked car. That's it, yeah. And then get yourself organised. And if it's clear after him, we're going to pull out. Obviously, we need to turn to avoid this car. That's really good, well done. Last time I done that, I thought it was pretty good. You get a lot better at pulling out like that.
Change gear.
Yeah, you can hear it, can't you?
Mm.
You got to prompt yourself a bit earlier to do it.
Yeah, I know.
You go a bit faster now. And if it's clear past that red car, red van, then we'll carry on. If it's not, we might have to slow down some.
It's not.
Is it got how many cars coming towards you? Are
2.
they going to be out your way?
Yes.
You going to check your mirror and come out?
Yeah, I'll come out.
See, what I'm trying to get you to do is, as soon as you see the problem, look what you can. What's happening in the next few seconds, and then
I focus too much on the
what's
right.
coming at you.
Yeah.
If oh, it's coming at me, I've got to give way.
Yeah.
And you're right, you've got to give way, but that's going to be out of the way sometimes.
Yeah. It's a lot of cars.
Is it clear to get out?
Yes.
Let's check our mirror pattern and a bit more gas this time. It's nice and straight, isn't it? Let's go to third gear.
Okay.
It's nice. Carry on. Keep going.
Hate hills.
What do you like about them?
They feel scary. I don't feel very in control, even though I am.
If it's going too fast, what could you do?
Brake.
Yeah. If you feel like it's running away from you, use your brakes.
Mm-hmm.
And if it's going too slow, what could you do?
Press the gas.
So you've got all the answers, haven't you?
Yeah.
So you're in control. All you got to do is keep looking at the road, keep in the middle lane, and anticipate dangers. And that comes with experience. The more you drive around, the more experience you get, the more confident you're going to get.
Yes. So.
It's just that you like to take precautions, don't you?
I
Like,
really
I'm not,
do.
I'm not gonna take a risk.
Yeah, I don't like risks. They're risky.
No, it's good to be safe. It's good to be safe. Better being a safe person, isn't it, than a risk taker? Because a risk taker will eventually have come down somewhere.
Yeah. I mean, you should probably have like a nice middle ground.
There's a middle ground, yeah.
Yeah.
There's always a middle ground. Now at the bottom of the hill, there's a roundabout. We're going to do a right turn at the roundabout.
Okay.
Taking the third exit. So it's a nice phantom tree in the middle. So right turn there. That's it.
Can I change gear on a hill or not?
You can, yeah. Of course you can.
I know, but it feels.
Now just see him coming around there. A little bit of braking, let him get out of your way. And then is it clear on your right?
Yes.
Let's carry on going around. Third exit. Signal back on.
Oh, wrong way. Wrong way.
There we go.
Thank you.
And then off we come here. That's it. Well done. And then we're going to pull up on the left when we get past these two cars. In between the driveways on the left. See that one with the lamp posts?
Yeah.
We'll pull over there. That's good. That's good. I only stepped in with the signal then because there was a car coming down the hill and I don't want him thinking we're coming off.
Yeah, it wouldn't be good.
All right. But the giving way and going around the cars was really good. I liked it. It's nice, controlled, smooth, giving yourself lots of space from the cars. Because the biggest fault a learner does is they stop and they either stall when they're pulling off or they get too close to the parked car and they'll hit it. So well done. Any questions?
No.
If you want to see Sophie again next week, then just leave a comment below. And like I said at the beginning, I'll put a playlist of Sophie's at this rate. If we keep doing these videos, we're going to have to do a playlist, aren't we?
Yeah.
We'll have them in the right order. See you next week. Take care, everybody.